Well, today I started doing the screen. I've sanded it all down a fair bit, as best as I can. It's quite a difficult thing to actually sand, really, with all the little curves and bends on it. I've done the inside as well, the same, as best as I can. And see, it's been repaired a few times, this screen over its lifetime. I'll show you bits I mean. Where I've sanded it, you can see them. It's had a repair here before. There's a little crack there. I think someone's broken it at some point. There's another one here. You've got a few little bits up here as well. It's got quite a few little bits. There's a damaged bit here as well. So I was going to re-fiberglass it. That's just going to be so much work because I'm going to have to cut all the windows back out of it again. All the holes at the top where the canopy goes on, I have to go back in the right spots. So I'm actually now thinking that I may flow coat it. Got a hole here I have to fill, obviously, but I'm thinking about flow coating it just to give it a little bit of strength and smooth it out, because I've got a load of flow coat that I don't really know what to do with. So I think I might give that a go. I'll try it anyway, see how it comes out. If it don't come out, I can always sand it and re-fiberglass it. So let's get on and do some cleaning. Obviously a bit of acetone first, make sure it's nice and clean, no grease, no dust, and then I'll get some flow coat on it. I'm cleaning this front windscreen. I don't know what paint has been painted with. As I try to clean it, whatever paint that is, it doesn't like acetone, so it's just coming off as I put. As you get a clean bit on your cloth, it just wipes it off completely. So I've got to get all of that off. I'll continue and show you in a little while. I've finally got all this black paint off now. I don't know what sort of paint that was, but obviously it doesn't like acetone. It's all nice and clean now. So it's now ready for some work to be done to it. I was just going to put flow coat on it, but I've got a bit here needs to be fiberglassed up, and I think these bits what have been damaged in the past, you can see them really well now. Maybe strengthen them up a bit. Same over here. There's quite a few bits over the years. A bit down here. When you look at it, it's had a whack up here and down. But I suppose going by its age, I'm guessing it's the same age as the boat, so it's going to be 40-45 years old. So I suppose it's entitled to a few knocks and bangs. But I've got some more holes here to fill up, so I'll get on, get these filled, and then once they're filled I can get on, and then I'll sand it, get a bit of flow coat over the top of it I think, and then give it a good sand after that. Flow coat should help it a lot. I've done the best I can on the inside as well. It's a bit iffy, but at least if the paint's not coming off it now, so it's all staying there, nothing's coming off anymore. So I don't know what the difference is between the paint on the inside and the outside. I have no idea, but this one doesn't seem to come off, and that's the best I'm getting it for now. So I'm going to get on and I'll show you some more later.